Here's how to create another Apple ID account. Now here you can see I have my iPhone. If you've already created an Apple ID account and you wanted to create another one, or you've never set one up, I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, and then tap on your name at the top. If you already have an Apple ID account, you'll see your Apple account with your name and your email address. If you've never set one up, it'll just prompt you to set one up here. However, on here, keep in mind when you create another Apple ID account, you cannot use that email address in your second account. To be able to create that second account, you're going to open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome, and you're going to go to account.apple.com. After you've done that, make sure that you're not logged into your current account, and then tap on the drop-down arrow at the top right, and then tap on Create Your Account. From here, you'll be able to see you'll enter your first name, last name, your birthday, your email address, a reminder you cannot use the same one as your old Apple ID account, and then your password, phone number, and then just hit continue at the bottom, and you will have created another Apple ID account. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.